Hey everybody, Steve from TechnoSpeak here today to talk to you about the various lighting systems that TechnoSpeak installs as part of a home automation system. There are three basic systems that we install: the Lutron RadioRA2 wireless lighting system, the Control4 wireless lighting system, and the Control4 panelized system. Each has its advantages and disadvantages, which we'll review in other videos besides this one, but just want to let you know kind of the overview of those three. On the chart here we have the RadioRA2 wireless lighting system and the Control4 wireless lighting system set up in a sample project for each. We have the equipment closet over here in each location, as well as various bedrooms over here with various switches. Today we're going to focus on the Lutron RadioRA2 lighting system and go from there. So this is basically how this system works. There's a main repeater that is connected to the router in your home. From that main repeater, it will either communicate with the wireless switches in your home directly, or if it's a larger project, there will be these aux repeaters that are located throughout the home that are wired to the main repeater with some proprietary Lutron wiring, and then these together will communicate with all the switches in your home. This is a RF star-based communication topology, which means that each individual light switch is communicating with an aux repeater or communicating with the main repeater. They are not communicating with each other. So basically one of these is going to send a signal to this main repeater. This main repeater is going to send a signal back, or this is an aux repeater rather. So in this particular case, this one would go to the main repeater and so on and so forth, or whatever the closest repeater was. These all kind of act as one brain. So having a system set up like this, you basically have the ability to do lighting scenes. Lighting scenes are essentially a bunch of different loads in your home that are all preset to different levels with the touch of one button. What that ends up doing is that ends up creating some ambience for you if you like to do certain things like entertaining or have big rager parties or whatever you like to do. It's a one-touch button to set all those scenes for you appropriately. So the Lutron offers 25 basic colors and 100 custom colors. So if you're the type of person that wants a taupe-colored switch to match your taupe-colored wall, Lutron is definitely the system for you. Wireless systems in general are great for retrofit situations and also for new construction situations because they don't affect the electrical in any way. You could literally take out a completely mechanized light switches in a home and put in the Lutron RadioRA2 system and not change the electrical at all, which is great for budgetary reasons. So wireless lighting systems in general are going to be cheaper than panelized systems, and the Lutron is definitely that. Some of the disadvantages of the Lutron system is that it is a bit pricier than some of the other wireless lighting systems that are out there. Just a case in point, the hybrid keypad in the Lutron world is going to run you just under $400. In the Control4 world, that device that does the exact same thing is $250. Lutron is great, but you do definitely pay for it. It does definitely cost a premium. And that is essentially the Lutron RadioRA2 system. In the next video, we're going to talk about the Control4 wireless lighting system.